Good morning, my friends, and welcome to another Discovery Friday. So today we're going to tackle that terrible issue of light years, but we're going to do it by measuring Mr. H years, or as the case is today, your name and years. How far can you travel in a year? Now there's lots of different ways to measure your steps, yardsticks and little rolly things. We have these long measures, and then we also have tape measures and rulers of all manners and varieties. Well, the original way to measure things were quite simply your feet. So the yard is technically supposed to be one stride. Not a step, a stride. So we're going to try to measure by strides today, and we can figure that out. But this is going to be a multi-part, and there is going to be math today. So what we're going to do is you're going to go out and you're going to figure out how far you walk in 20 seconds. Now the big problem with that is your regular walking pace, if you're trying to count in seconds, you're going to do the staying alive thing where you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and so no matter how quickly or slowly you count, you're going to end up with 20 and 20. So we need to make sure that you have either your cell phone with a timer set on it for 20 seconds, or your iPad with a timer set on it for 20 seconds. And once we do that, we are going to set the timer. Don't look at it because that'll set your pace, and just take your regular walking strides. Okay? And you're going to walk until the timer goes off 20 seconds. You're going to mark where that is. We're going to do that 3 times. So 3 times, we're going to measure that, and then we're going to figure out how many strides that is. All right? That's not steps, that's strides. And a stride is just a good size long step. Essentially, it's about 4 of your feet, probably. So you're going to figure out, you're going to count the number of strides. You're going to have 3 marks on the ground. You're going to do your 3 on the ground. Leave those marks, and then you're going to find kind of an average. Boy Scouts do this all the time to figure out how many miles they can walk in how many steps. You guys are going to do this quite easily. You're going to just go, there's my mark. There's kind of the average of how far I got after 20 seconds. And then you're going to pace that out. And it's going to be X number of paces is how far you got in 20 seconds. Okay? And then we're going to do some math. There's a data sheet attached to this lab, and you're going to convert your strides from 20 seconds to a minute, minute to an hour, hour to a day, day to a year, and that'll give you the total number of strides you take if you were to walk at that pace for a year continuously. All right, my friends, that bell is telling me that it's time to start our day. So, welcome again to Discovery Friday. Let's get this done.